Right now, 3 Toyota pickup trucks are sitting on dealer lots, collecting dust, while buyers chase the same old names. Not because these trucks are bad, but because most people do not understand what they are looking at. These are not unknown models or forgotten trim levels. They are real Toyota pickups that offer genuine value, capability, and reliability the market has not caught on to yet. Once word spreads, demand will spike, discounts will vanish, and these trucks will become impossible to find at reasonable prices. Let us start with the first pickup truck that is currently being overlooked. Truck number 1. 2024 Toyota Tacoma SR base model with a 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. Walk into any Toyota dealership right now and you will find multiple Tacoma SR models sitting in the back corner of the lot. Most buyers walk right past them, heading straight for the TRD models or higher trims. That mistake is costing them thousands of dollars, and it means they miss a truck that does exactly what most people actually need. The 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, officially called the T24A FTS, produces 278 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque. That torque number matters more than the horsepower for truck work, and it arrives low in the RPM range where you actually use it. The engine connects to an 8-speed automatic transmission, the direct shift 8-speed automatic that Toyota co-developed for this platform. Here is what buyers do not realize. This base engine and transmission combination returns significantly better fuel economy than the V6 models from previous generations. EPA estimates show 20 miles per gallon city and 24 miles per gallon highway for the 4-wheel drive configuration. Over 15,000 miles per year, that difference saves real money at the pump. The Tacoma SR includes Toyota's boxed steel frame, the same fundamental structure used across all Tacoma trim levels. The frame uses high-strength steel in critical stress points, particularly around the front suspension mounting points at the lower A-arm connection areas and the rear leaf spring hangers bolted to the frame rails. This design provides excellent durability for daily driving, light towing, and weekend adventure use without the premium price. Standard equipment includes Toyota Safety Sense 3.0. The system includes a pre-collision system with pedestrian detection that uses a forward-facing camera mounted behind the rear-view mirror on the windshield, and a millimeter wave radar sensor located behind the front grille Toyota badge. Lane departure alert, with steering assist monitors road markings through that same windshield-mounted camera. Dynamic radar cruise control maintains following distance automatically, using the radar sensor and camera working together. The cabin might look basic compared to loaded TRD models, but it includes everything most truck buyers actually use. An 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system sits in the center stack with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. 6 speakers provide clear audio. Manual cloth seats clean easier than leather after work or outdoor activities and do not crack under sun exposure the way leather eventually does. Most buyers skip the SR because they think base model means cheap or unreliable. That is wrong. Toyota builds the SR on the same assembly line, using the same quality control processes and fundamental components as more expensive trims. The differences are features and cosmetic details, not structural integrity or mechanical reliability. Right now, dealers are offering significant discounts on SR models because they do not move as fast as TRD trims. Incentives often include $2,000 to $3,000 off MSRP, plus competitive financing rates. That discount disappears once buyers realize the SR delivers 90% of what they need for 75% of the cost. Truck number 2, 2024 Tundra SR5 with the twin-turbo V6 hybrid powertrain. The second truck hiding in plain sight is the 2024 Tundra SR5 in the double cab configuration with the standard bed length. Most buyers immediately dismiss this combination because they chase Crewmax cabs or off-road packages. That leaves SR5 double cab models sitting on lots far longer than they should. The Tundra SR5 comes equipped with Toyota's iForce Max hybrid powertrain. It pairs a 3.5-liter twin turbocharged V6 engine, officially designated V35A FTS, with a permanent magnet electric motor integrated directly into the 10-speed automatic transmission. The system produces a combined 437 horsepower and 583 pound-feet of torque. The electric motor sits between the engine and transmission inside the bell housing. It provides instant torque response that eliminates turbo lag completely. During acceleration from a stop, the electric motor fills the power gap while the turbochargers spool up. The motor also functions as a generator during deceleration, capturing energy and storing it in a 1.87 kilowatt-hour nickel-metal hydride battery pack mounted under the rear seat cushion. What buyers miss is that this hybrid system does not just add power, it dramatically improves fuel economy compared to the non-hybrid twin-turbo V6. EPA estimates show the iForce Max returns 21 miles per gallon combined compared to 18 miles per gallon combined for the non-hybrid version. Over the lifetime of the truck, that 3 miles per gallon difference represents thousands of dollars in fuel savings. The Tundra SR5 includes a fully boxed high-strength steel frame that Toyota strengthened specifically for this generation. Maximum towing capacity reaches 11,450 pounds when properly equipped with the available towing package, which includes an integrated trailer brake controller built into the dashboard controls on the lower left side of the steering column, a heavy-duty transmission cooler mounted in front of the radiator, and upgraded rear suspension components. If you made it this far, consider liking this video, giving it a thumbs up, and subscribing to my channel. This helps me bring you more honest car advice. The double cab configuration provides seating for 6 adults across 2 full rows, with the rear bench seat offering 34.6 inches of legroom. The standard bed measures 6.5 feet long. A 6.5-foot bed fits standard 4x8 sheets of plywood or drywall flat with the tailgate closed and maintains reasonable overall truck length for parking and daily driving. Standard features on the SR5 include LED headlights with automatic high beams that use the forward-facing camera to detect oncoming traffic and dim automatically. The 8-inch touchscreen runs Toyota's latest infotainment system with wireless smartphone integration. Power-adjustable front seats include lumbar support. Dual-zone automatic climate control allows driver and passenger to set different temperatures through physical buttons and knobs. The reason these Tundra SR5 models sit on lots comes down to buyer psychology. Most people shopping for full-size trucks want maximum cab size or off-road badges, even when they rarely use the extra space or capability. The SR5 double cab falls into a gap where it is too practical for the average buyer. Current dealer inventories show SR5 models sitting 45 to 60 days on average, compared to 15 to 30 days for TRD Pro or Capstone trims. That extra time on the lot translates directly to negotiating leverage. Dealers facing floor plan interest charges on aging inventory are motivated to move units. Truck number 3, 2024 Toyota Tacoma PreRunner in rear-wheel drive configuration. The third overlooked truck is one most buyers don't even know exists. The 2024 Tacoma PreRunner, specifically in rear-wheel drive configuration, sits on dealer lots because the market has convinced itself that every truck must have four-wheel drive. That assumption costs buyers thousands of dollars for capability they rarely use. The PreRunner name comes from Toyota's off-road racing heritage. Original PreRunners were two-wheel drive trucks built to pre-run desert race courses. Modern PreRunners maintain that philosophy, offering the ground clearance, suspension travel, and visual presence of four-wheel drive trucks without the added weight, complexity, and cost of a front differential and transfer case. The 2024 Tacoma PreRunner rides on the same suspension geometry as four-wheel drive Tacomas. The front suspension uses independent double wishbones with coil springs and internal shock absorbers mounted inside the coil spring assembly. This provides 9.4 inches of ground clearance. The rear suspension uses leaf springs with a solid rear axle, mounted on progressive rate leaf spring packs. Under the hood, the PreRunner uses the same 2.4-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine found in other Tacoma models, producing 278 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque. Power routes through the 8-speed automatic transmission directly to the rear wheels. Removing the front drive shaft, transfer case, and front differential assembly saves approximately 150 pounds compared to four-wheel drive models. That weight reduction improves fuel economy noticeably. EPA estimates show 21 miles per gallon city and 26 miles per gallon highway, compared to 20 city and 24 highway for four-wheel drive versions. The weight savings also improve acceleration and handling. Less weight over the front axle means quicker steering response and shorter stopping distances. The PreRunner feels more planted during highway lane changes and more responsive in parking lots. What kills demand for PreRunners is the assumption that truck buyers need four-wheel drive. Reality shows otherwise. Industry data indicates that over 85% of pickup truck owners never engage four-wheel drive during their entire ownership period. Most trucks spend their lives on paved roads, running errands, commuting to work, and making weekend runs. For those buyers, paying $3,000 to $4,000 extra for four-wheel drive means financing capability they never use while accepting worse fuel economy every day. The PreRunner includes the same towing capacity as four-wheel drive Tacomas when properly equipped. Maximum towing reaches 6,500 pounds with the available towing package, which includes a Class 4 hitch receiver mounted to the rear frame rails, a 7-pin trailer wiring harness connector, and a transmission cooler. That's enough capacity for most boat trailers, utility trailers, and travel trailers under 25 feet. Standard equipment matches other Tacoma models at the same trim level. Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 comes standard with all the driver assistance features. The 8-inch touchscreen provides the same functionality. The only meaningful difference is the absence of four-wheel drive hardware that most buyers never use. Dealers struggle to sell PreRunners because salespeople don't understand how to position them. Walk into a dealership and mention you're interested in a two-wheel drive Tacoma, and most sales staff will try to upsell you immediately to four-wheel drive. They are trained to maximize profit per unit, not match trucks to actual buyer needs. This creates opportunity. PreRunner models sit on lots 30 to 45 days longer than four-wheel drive equivalents. That inventory age translates to a stronger negotiating position. Dealers facing month-end quotas are motivated to move aged inventory. These three trucks share a common pattern. They are fundamentally sound vehicles that deliver exactly what most truck buyers actually need. They offer proven Toyota reliability, modern safety technology, capable powertrains, and practical features without unnecessary premium pricing. But they do not match current market psychology, which chases off road badges, maximum cab sizes, and four-wheel drive, regardless of actual use cases. That disconnect creates temporary value. Trucks sitting on dealer lots cost dealers money through floor plan financing. That financial pressure gives buyers leverage. Dealers would rather negotiate on price and move inventory than let trucks age beyond 60 days. The value window is temporary. Once word spreads that these configurations offer strong value, demand shifts. Buyers who missed opportunities on previously overlooked models watch this pattern repeat and regret not acting sooner. Smart buyers recognize value before the market catches up. They understand that most truck capability goes unused. They calculate real-world fuel costs over ownership periods. They negotiate based on dealer inventory age rather than artificial scarcity. If you are in the market for a Toyota pickup truck, these three configurations deserve serious consideration. Look at the Tacoma SR with its efficient turbo 4-cylinder and generous incentives. Consider the Tundra SR5 double cab with its powerful hybrid powertrain. Examine the Tacoma PreRunner with its lower cost of ownership. The dealers will not highlight these options. Sales staff earn higher commissions on premium trims. Marketing focuses on capability most buyers never use. But informed buyers who look past the marketing will find excellent trucks available right now at prices that will not last. If you are enjoying this video, consider watching the next one where I am sharing the exact maintenance schedule that keeps Toyota trucks running past 300,000 miles.